Hi there, students. A devil may care attitude, or just devil may care as an adjective. Let's see, devil may care as an adjective, it just means reckless, irresponsible, not thinking about the future. But most of the examples I could think about all end up with a devil may care attitude. He has a reckless devil may care attitude. He doesn't care about the future. He doesn't care about the consequences. He's a hedonist and only thinking about now. His devil may care attitude to money, his devil may care attitude to drinking or partying, his devil may care style of driving tells me that one day he's going to have a terrible accident. Yeah, so this devil may care, this is actually just a shortening of the original, which is the devil may care, but I do not. Yeah, so he's having lots of this guy is having lots of problems. Well, the devil may care, but I do not, and that's where it comes from. So devil may care, reckless and irresponsible, maybe carefree as well, not worried about the future. In that case, you could say happy-go-lucky, which is quite a nice phrase. His devil may care attitude makes him very free and means that he gets a lot out of life, but sometimes he comes a cropper. Okay, bad things happen to him. So a devil may care attitude. He's a devil may care chap. He's never thrifty when spending money. He always spends money in a devil may care way. His devil may care attitude towards the future. I think as a species we have a devil may care attitude about what's happening to our planet and our ecosystem, and we need to become more conscious and careful about it. Okay, so his devil may care attitude. Yeah, he went out in the rain without a coat. That maybe is a devil may care attitude. The way he rides that motorbike is so devil may care, it's probably going to get him killed one day. So if you want to succeed, I think a devil may care attitude is not very good. You need to be more responsible. Yeah, don't be so thoughtless and devil may care. Think about the consequences of what you do, because yeah, normally your actions have consequences in other places or to other people. Yeah, so devil may care, heedless, reckless, maybe carefree, freewheeling, something like that as well. Okay, so easygoing. I think it's a bit it's probably a bit more positive than devil may care. Anyway, formality. Let's see. I think I'd probably give this a 4.5 in formality. It sounds a little bit posh. 4.5, yeah, maybe you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but don't use devil may care formally. Yeah, it acts as an adjective, and yeah, the devil may care, but I really don't. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Devil may care.